everyone. I just want to show you guys how I refresh my hair. These are second day curls. My hair's been in a pineapple. Hey guys, I was gonna refresh my hair real quick before I head out, but then I decided to record it for you guys. So what I'm gonna be using today is gonna be the Hairrepear Flairosol spray bottle. And you can find this at hairrepair.com. I'm going to link everything down below in the description box. I'm going to be using that, and I am going to be using the Hydratherma Follicle Mist, the Which I Love Your Hair Magic Mist, and the Blueberry Bliss Curls Leave-In Conditioner. Sorry about that. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the Follicle Mist from Hydratherma. I always say it wrong. Hydratherma. So I'm going to spray it on my palm. I'm going to rub it. I'm going to put my head upside down. And kind of shake everything. Can you guys see? Okay. Then I'm going to... Okay, there. Let me get my glasses. So you guys can tell... my curls, well, kind of surprised, but okay. Because I do have some frizz, I'm gonna get a little bit of water and spray it on it. And I am using my Hairrepear Flairosol spray bottle, and I'm just gonna go like this, kind of to like tame the frizz that it's going on right now. And then same thing to this side. Like this. Okay, then I'm gonna be using the magic mist from Which I Love Your Hair. I love this spray. Like, I use it for everything. I use it to refresh my hair. I even use it to like scalp massage. I use it for almost everything. And I was gonna spray it on my hair, but what I'm gonna do today is I'm going to spray it on the palm of my hand, and I'm just gonna work the product like this. Never scrunch your hair when it's already been styled, because that's gonna just cause frizz and break the curls, and you don't want that. I'm spraying a little bit more to add on this side. Maybe you guys can tell there. I'm gonna get a little closer. So spray, spray. Like that. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have a little bit of frizz there. I'm just trying to tame it. At the end, what I like to do, just to keep my hair a little moisturized, I like to add the leave-in conditioner, and this one's from Curls, and this is the Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. All the products, like I said at the beginning, I'm going to link them down on my description box. So if you guys want to get them, you guys can find them there. So I'm going to just grab a little bit. And I'm just adding this on my ends because they're a little bit dry. Just on my ends. After that, I'm going to grab the Flairosol spray bottle. Spray a little bit on my hair, on the frizz, just on the frizz, to tame it. Like the little crazy hairs I have right here. And that's pretty much it. And then I just let my hair dry, and once it's dry, I just kind of shake up my hair and I'm ready to go. As you guys can tell, if you had a good wash day, your second day, like for your refresh, you're not gonna have any trouble. I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys, but on my wash day I did use the Bounce Curl light cream gel to style, but that was all. I'm just gonna go ahead and shake my hair and head out. But if you guys have any questions about anything regarding the products, regarding a different technique I'm doing, or anything, just leave it down in the comments, and I can either make a video or I will reply to you guys. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It's at Itzel Reyes or Kitzel Reyes, however, but I'm gonna link it down below as well. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment. Thank you guys. Bye.